Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable and I'm making some brown stew chicken foot and never
Better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. Never, no, I shouldn't say never. I haven't eaten chicken foot, brown stew chicken foot for ages. So I just feel for it and I said, let me do some. So guys, that's my brown stew chicken foot. I seasoned this up from Friday and today is what, Sunday. So that's for my Sunday dinner. So guys, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
So guys, right there you see me have my pan, my Dutch pot. Yeah, so me drizzle some oil in my Dutch pot.
And I'm
Yeah,
gonna put
guys,
this
I
in the
might
pressure
be
cooker
talking
because I don't
and
have time
oh my son,
to
guys,
cook
me
it on
have
the
the
stove. I
flow,
don't
but
have
that girl
time.
have to
Time
eat,
is
you
the
understand? So
master.
I'm drizzle my oil right there. So I'm gonna drop some ginger and some garlic and just kind of spin it around in the oil and get that nice aroma. You want to smell that nice ginger and that nice garlic scent coming up through your nose and thing and thing. So guys, there's goes my chicken foot. I'm gonna drop them in the pot right now. I'm gonna brown them for a bit. I don't know how to cook on the chicken foot, but I always kind of brown my chicken foot a little. So so you got the color still when the water go pan and it's a cook, you understand? Cause I don't want a white chicken foot round here and a soup me a cook. So right, there's a guy looking at my Dutch pot. Look on chicken foot. Well brown up. Chicken foot them well brown up and look nice, eh? Watch there. So now guys, now that it brown, we're gonna pour some water and do not use cold water guys. I'm using hot water because you want the fire to keep going, the pot keep going. You understand? You want to throw no cold water to slow down the process. So normally I'm gonna put in the pressure cooker, but I just decide to make a cook in the Dutch pot today and see. But it never take long, guys. Me think it gonna take long, but it never take long. So now I'm gonna cover up my Dutch pot and make it go and take himself and slowly cook. You understand? Right there, so. So guys, look at chicken foot. So I'm gonna show the seasoning when I season up the chicken foot with inside of it. You look on it, guys. You see the color. I'm not add no more soy sauce or nothing like it. Still maintain the color. Look at that. You have to clean up while you're cooking. You have to clean up while you make a mess. Clean up. So guys, right here, so I have some dumpling. I haven't eat dumpling nearly 2 months now because I try to avoid dumpling and rice and them something there. But me have to put some little spinners in my chicken foot. You can't have stew chicken foot and not have a little spinners in it. You understand? So right there, so I'm throwing some spinners dumpling in it. Look pan that. So me I put in some sweet pepper right now. In it, add some sweet pepper. I already put onion, scallion and thyme already in it. So I just dash some sweet pepper on top. So right here, so guys, me have some broad bean. You can't have stew chicken foot and put a little twist to it. So I add some broad bean to it. Watch there. Yeah, look on chicken foot right there. So I think at the first time I ever cook brown stew chicken foot, I think at the first time. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I ever cook it before, but look at that. It looks good. So I turn on the stove now and kind of let it simmer down, you understand? Kind of make it simmer down a little more and make the gravy. Because watch the gravy. I don't have to add no ketchup or no in there. If you get my gravy, I just turn on the stove low and make it make the own gravy. Look on the thickness of the gravy. Look there. Look there. I say guys, it tastes good, you see? Lord Jesus. And Aiden not eat it. Aiden say not eat chicken on. So me enjoy it. Look at that. What chicken foot in a pot. Ah. Watch man chicken foot. Look good, look delicious. So guys, over here, as I told you guys, I'm avoiding rice, so I make some quinoa. I'm gonna put a twist to it, put some peas in it. So look at that. That's my delicious dinner right there. Yeah, my quinoa. I'm have some green, what them call them, something string bean. I'm a brown stew chicken foot. Yeah, I say quinoa tastes good and I never like it, but it tastes good.
So guys, that's how I cook my brown stew chicken foot. So I put a twist to it. I put some spinach dumpling. I put some butter bean slash broad bean. No, two of them are different. Something. And I have some quinoa. Yeah, I didn't like it, but now I like it. And I cook it like how I cook my rice and peas. So I have some peas, one red peas in it. And over here I have some string bean. And that's how I cook my brown stew chicken. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Guys, remember to like like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about this lovely dish. Girl, and there, girl, go and try to get somebody going. I'm joking. So, guys, that's how I made my brown stew chicken. So, like, as I said, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put on a post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. Until next time, your girl is out.